Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm reversal film, and this is my subject today, and I got this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Fresco used filter called Find Edges. Well, actually I made the watercolor type image and also some kind of illustration type image a couple months ago, and this time I want to try some kind of dry media type, like a color pencil drawing type image. Well, I don't know how it's going to turn out. Let me try something interesting. Well, let's get started. I have this pencil drawing type, and I usually change blend mode to see the effect. Well, this is it's not much sharp, dark pencil drawing type image, so I don't know if I'm gonna get something sharp image or not. This is color burn, linear burn type image. Well, change to other color. Overlay. This is pretty. I may use this later. I don't know. Let me see. Luminosity. Yeah, I kind of like shallow colors. I may darken, double the color density. Yeah, I'm gonna make this color first. Well, select multiple, then select 2 layers, then duplicate layers. I'm gonna merge selected. I got this layer, then I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then one of the top change to multiply, goes darker, right? Or let's see, linear burn. This is pretty dark too. Not much difference. Well, linear burn. Then I'm gonna merge down. So I got the base image here. Okay. Now this is base image, and I have this. Move this pencil drawing type of image. Bring up. And I'm going to change the blend mode, bring back to normal. I may use the outlines later, and I'm going to turn it off right now. Okay, we see the base image. Now I want to see this base image, so I'm going to move this base image all the way to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to change the name of 3 of them. I just rename everything. This is the base image, luminosity effect layer. Then this one is original image. Then top, this layer is pencil drawing type image. Okay, then I'm going to duplicate this base image. Then I'm going to move over this original image. Then I'm going to change this blend mode to overlay. Okay, I may use this original image later, so just in case, I'm going to duplicate, then keep this one, turn it off, then move all the way bottom to keep it, just in case. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but just keep it this one. Now base image is this luminosity effect layer. Okay, now we got 2 images here. I just changed the overlay blend mode to get this effect, right? Now I'm gonna merge down to this original image. Okay, merge down. Now this is not original, so I'm gonna change this. Okay, how's this? I named it base image, overlay effect, and merge to original image. Is this? Well, I don't know. Now I'm gonna create empty mask, invert mask, then dry media to pastel square, now I want to add layer, same brush, using same brush and back and forth with this reveal hide mask. Change layer, then add colors. Now it's gonna be the fun. Painting, revealing, hiding. Okay, now interesting. Okay, we have now got creative some kind of new image. Well, I have this base image, right? Then this one is base image, change the blend mode, then combine to original image, which is new image. Well, I'm making mask, then reveal some to show the base image, right? And I add the color on this layer. Then now if I make mask on this base image, we're gonna see this original image. So what I'm gonna try to do is create empty mask on this base image. I need to hide this one too to see original image. So same time I'm gonna hide. If I hide this, we're gonna start to see the original image. But I don't know if I want to see everything. Thinking about how I'm going to reveal this image and how much I'm going to hide this base image to show the original image. Okay, well, let's see. About her makeup. Well, I guess this is it for today. Okay, this is base image. Then I add this luminosity effect layer with mask. Oh well, okay, luminosity effect. Then I add color overall, some pastel colors, blue, green, and purple. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. I'd like to see your creative work sometime. Let me know if you have address or something. I'd love to see them. Well, and You guys have a nice day, and thank you again. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.